Hey guys, welcome to Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to limit quantity on Shopify. So to do that, first log into your Shopify store, and once you're in the store, click on products and click on inventory, and over here you can see various options. So suppose I have these 4 products that I have the stock of. So from here you can set the product availability. So here I'm just going to write the amount of the product available. So I'm going to write 10, and you can even write any amount that you like, and all you have to do after doing that is click on save. So like this, your inventory availability will be only 10 and the quantity will be limited to 10 only. So that is how you can limit quantity on Shopify. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.